Hey guys, so when the when they get hit here, the rocker panel pretty much it have a little I have a space under here. It's too wide, so I need to pull this rocker panel up in the air a little bit. So you see what I did? I just put some brackets on here. Well, some brackets on there, put some clamps on there, so I can pull that rocker panel up in the air. That come right back up, so I close, get the space up. So I just touch this one a little bit, and then that one there we got, I have a dent here, so we just pull that up. So you see what I did? I actually come up with my own creative idea. Slide my chisel right through the two clamps, and that brings everything back this way. So we got all that stuff there breaking off. So I'll take the weight off of this. guys, what I did, I actually got my chain going up in the air, so I need to make an uphold to get this here come up a little bit. Over here is good. So we just need to pull here a little bit, then we just pull that thing out. We don't need an up pull, we just need a straight pull. Hey guys, so back here with the Suzuki Swift. So I just want to give you a sneak peek of how far we got as far as the quarter and the door and stuff like that. So look at these lines, guys. Well, what we actually do with this, we leave it the space a little wide here. As you can see, it's even coming all the way down, right? And normally what you're supposed to do, well, my experience taught me, is that you leave the gap a little bit wider until you weld. When you finish weld it, right? Like you weld these spot welds, because when you weld this, it's going to draw, it's going to suck in, and it's going to get a little closer. So then that will even up the space right here. So as soon as you weld, it will draw, the metal will draw, so it will get a little closer. So we got this here now, because we had put a plate on here to pull this out. So see, we had to pull that out. See, we got the space here, right? Going all the way up. So now what we have to do now is, if you notice here, we got the right ceiling right here. But when we get here, it actually, here is in. Because you notice that this actually moves away from here. So And if you see it comes here, over here come, have a little lip, and then it falls right in here. So we have to take off the door, take the door off, and then we put a bracket here now, and I'll use a towel to pull this up in the air to get this even up with this right here. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you how I actually get that piece of the roof of the this here to come up, and then we'll put the tailgate on, the lights, the bumper, everything to make sure that it all line up. So look at this, guys. Look at that. Hear that? And if you notice where the lines at, right here. If you notice where the lines at, the light is a little bit in the way. Right over here is lined up. And if you look at here, you'll see we have the line come back here. So look at this, guys. Hear that? All right, and there's the back. Hear that? Nice and smooth. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'll show you how I pull the top of the door. So I'll take the door back off, and I'll weld a bracket on there. And then pull that up. Yeah, guys, so we'll take the door back off so we can get to pull the top of the door right here. So we just snatch this door right back off. So guys, look at that. See, now I want to do an overhead pull as far as to get the top section out, because if this is in, I need to get it out. So you see what I did? This is what we call overhead pull. So I just get creative, extend this bar, and we're gonna try now to attempt to get this pulled up in the air to get it out. Guys, body work is just have a creative mind. You just have to you see a situation, you just gotta get creative and create your own pulls. We're in the pull to get it out. So we actually now going to see we got to try to see if it works. So it's just an idea, but you have to have the idea in order to try to see if it will work. Right, so we do that. Now we need to get this at a point. Okay. So let's see. If it works. So guys, you see we're getting it come out. right there. So you just gotta get creative. Alright, so we'll just go back here, move the clamp back here now, pull back here, and we should be good. Right here, and move this welding blanket. So we just pull right here on this side to get up here a little bit. We already got hair started out already. See right there, come flush right here. So put this on here. So we have that space for right around. That's good. And we have right here. That's already out already. So what we'll do now, we'll put the door back on there. We put the door back on there now. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.